Hi everyone. In this video we will look at the calculate DAX function. What is the calculate DAX function and how to use it. In this dataset, in sales dataset, we have shipping cost and we want to find out the shipping cost where the ship mode is a regular air. If we use only the aggregation functions like sum, it will aggregate this column, the shipping cost column, but it will not give the filter context of the ship mode where the ship mode is regular air. So in that scenario, we will use the calculate function. First of all, we will use only the sum function. Click on the new measure. Click on the new measure. Let's name it a total shipping cost. Total SP shipping cost. We will use only the sum function. And the column is shipping cost. We have got the total shipping cost, but in the next scenario, we will use the calculate function to get the shipping cost of only regular air, where the ship mode is regular air. Again, click on the new measure. We will give it a name, regular air shipping cost. Calculate. We will see some addition. The expression would be the sum of shipping cost. Now, the second argument is filter context. What filter context we want to use? We want to use the shipping mode where the value is irregular air. We have also calculated the regular shipping cost. Now we want to see the visualization of both of it. Select the card. First you will see the total shipping cost. As we can see, the total shipping cost is 1,07,000 something, and the other one, it is regular shipping cost, it is 48,000. So as we can see how we use the calculate function to get some filter context. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.